Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Shari with me. Extra special. She is my best friend from 5th grade on. So anyway, we live in the same town. She moved in when we was in 5th grade, and we literally have been inseparable since. So super fun. So I'm glad to have her today. Thank you for letting me show your gorgeous hair. We have done everything with her hair, from short, spiky to anyway, now it has grown out, and I wanted to show you, we're always showing, I have a lot of people asking for short, and I wanted to show you what I use on longer hair. This is one of my favorite that I use. This is from Pravana. It's called the Perfect Blonde. I even put this in dark hair, just because it says blonde. I still put it in because it has a super good shine and smells phenomenal. But be careful, do not spray too much of this in, because I really want to like spray a lot because it smells good, but you can, or it gets a little bit too heavy. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys what I do is I just spritz around. So like her whole head, I just did 4 squirts, okay? And that's gonna be enough. Then up through the top area, I love the volume and lift spray. That's gonna give it the volume that it needs. And it's been fun. We've been putting dark back into Shari's hair, and it looks super pretty, and it's way healthy. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you from the sides. I kind of go to the opposite way to give it volume. Same on this side, go to the opposite side. I used to call her house when we used to have house phones. I used to call her house at like 6 a.m. and her dad would answer and not really love me so much. Which now I'm like, oh yeah, that probably wasn't nice. But at the time, you know, we had to talk about what we was wearing for the day and stuff. Good memories. What's that?
Important things.
Yeah, important things, yeah. Okay, then the back. I'm just moving the hair. I put a 5N and a 5 or a 4R, a little bit of a 4R, just to make it warm for the brown. And then of course we do keep some highlighting in there, but we've added more dark, especially for the fall. It's always fun to add more dark. So another thing to styling is before you start round brushing, you want to make sure that it's about 80% dry. If it's too wet, you're going to pull on the hair, and so it's obviously not healthy for your hair. So I need to mention also, the Perfect Blonde is also a protectant. So it's a leave-in. So not only does it make it shiny and super soft, which I love, after we put it in, it feels super soft. So, okay, so it's 80% dry. Now what I do is take little sections, you can see. They're not huge sections. And I like to use my big round brush. This one's a big one. Always make sure that your blow dryer is faced the way that your hair is going. Some people, it's a little bit hard when, you know, they're drying their own hair and, you know, they're coming from back here, and sometimes the hair can go up this way when you're drying it. So it can kind of get tangled and stuff like that. So try to keep the air going the way that that your brush is going. Okay, I'm just gonna flat iron that. You doing good, Shar?
Doing good.
Okay, sweet. Sweet. If you are trying to do this on yourself and you can't round brush, just maybe take the brush through it like this. This is okay also. Might be a little bit easier. Some people get frustrated when they try to round brush their own hair. The more you do it, the better you'll get. I always recommend when you first start out to definitely make sure your sections are smaller, and it will help so much. Yeah, Shari and I have stories that go way back. Too bad we couldn't talk about them all today. Maybe some we wouldn't want to talk about. Yeah, it was so cool. We actually ended up living just across the street. Like, she was up, like, kitty corner and up one house. So it was so fun. And I was always the youngest out of my family. And so Shari would always come camping with us. Because I never had siblings close to me. They was all married and out of the house. And so Shari was my, yeah, she was there through everything, huh? We did. Yeah, exactly. And she didn't have a sister. So, yeah, we were just super close. Yeah, stories go and go. Like when I had my 3 boys and then my 4th was a girl, she is an ultrasound tech. And so she would do my ultrasounds. And when she had told me it's a girl, I'm like, no. So she did a lot of ultrasounds on me. It was super fun. So you can see I'm just kind of coming out with this. On the top, I'm going to go straight up with the round brush. But you can see I'm just kind of coming straight out. Again, if you want to do it this way. Also, if you're wanting to warm up your blonde with brown, I definitely recommend it if you're wanting to get your hair healthier also. In fact, my daughter-in-law, McKaysley, she has put a lot of dark through hers now, and I cannot believe how it's grown and how healthy it is. So anyway, if you're kind of thinking on the lines of doing it, you're wanting to like get your hair healthier and stuff, that's another good way to get your hair healthy. Plus with skin tones, a lot of people don't realize, like with Shari, when we put the dark in hers, it pops her eyes. Sometimes if you get too blonde, it washes you out. And so anyway, I would definitely look into that. Okay, so I'm just kind of lifting up. Then you can let it cool for a second, then let it go. This way it'll give you a lot of volume. The other thing I have in Shari's hair is texture. So it makes little, it cuts little hairs into there so the long hairs will sit on top of the little hairs. So let it sit for a sec and then you let it go. And you can see that volume that it gets. Same thing, just going straight up. Lots of volume. Okay, then we go off to the right. Okay, Shar, almost done. One other thing, I'm going to turn this down. One other thing, if you feel like you're round brushing, you know, you just can't keep the hair on your brush, that's definitely something that I would do. Get you a good brush. There's good ones from Cricut. This one's from Monat. I love this one. Cricut Technique. Round brushes are amazing. They will grab the hair, but they don't pull on the hair. So I definitely would look into that. And then also, if you are having a hard time, you know, feeling like, oh, I can't keep the hair on the brush, not that it's slipping out, just that it's flying everywhere, just turn it on low. That's why I turned it on low. Then you can have more control over that. So see that? That's a lot of volume. So cute. All right, now I'm just going to take the flat iron, just come through this. You feeling good, Char?
Feeling good.
Okay, sweet. Anyway, so what I was saying about popping her eyes, if you guys can see, the brown really does, it makes her eyes pop. So, okay, now what I'm going to do, I always love to use, this is the oil from Monat. This is a light oil, so it's not heavy on the hair. Shari has a ton of hair, but it's more fine. The texture is fine, so I'm using a light oil. And I just rub that in, just bring it through, makes all these little, if there's any little hairs up there, it just kind of puts them down a little bit. And add shine. Okay, and then we are going to give her a little volume up here, which I go in, down, and out. And then I spray underneath. And then put it down into its place. Same with the side here. Spray underneath. So hopefully this will give you some little things that, you know, little tricks that, or products. I wanted you guys to know how much I love that for long hair. And all my long-haired clients, I've showed them this product, and they all, if they don't have it, they're wanting it. It's a really, really good product. And smells phenomenal, huh, Shar? Mm-hmm. It's the best part. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to turn you just so I can see what I've done. How does it feel?
That's great.
Yay! It's all nice. Nothing better than a color, right?
Hair day's the best day.
Yep, it seriously is. Okay, sweet. I'm going to turn her around so you guys can see. So pretty and super shiny. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. Shar, thanks for coming. I appreciate it. Actually, it's Shari. I always call her Shar. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully this helped. And hopefully if you're a long-haired client, you can try out this product and you will absolutely love it. So thanks so much, you guys. I hope you have a phenomenal day, and we'll chat next time. See ya.